last week. Been a whole year, but it feel like last week. When I was your boy falling hard in the back streets, but you were there to catch me. Then I grew up and the sun got cloudy. Used to feel the sun on my skin, yeah, it's sappy, but that's the last time I was truly happy. So I'm asking, if I fell down right now, would you catch me? If I fell down right now, would you? If I fell down right now, would you catch me? Catch me, baby, would you catch me? I've been hurt before, are you sure that you're still gonna catch me? If I fell down right now, would you catch me? Catch me, baby, would you catch me? I'ma let go, all I know is I need you to catch me. Would you catch me? I ain't written one love song since she left me. Trauma in my memories. When I try to hold you, my body doesn't let me. So baby, would you catch me? Oh baby, would you catch me? Baby, would you catch me? Make it alright. I ain't fell in love in a really long time. Would you catch me? Look in my eyes, tell me we're something new. I got issues with my trust, I don't wanna fall in love, so I guess I'm falling out of it. Come help me adjust. I got issues with my I got issues from my past, come and put them in the past. Cause baby, I'm falling fast, like 3 digits on my dash. Swerving through the back streets, don't you let me crash, please. Baby, would you catch me? Baby, would you? If I fell down right now, would you catch me? If I fell down right now, would you? If I fell down right now, would you catch me? Catch me, baby, would you catch me? I'ma let go, all I know is I need you to catch me. Would you catch me? I ain't written one love song since she left me. Trauma in my memories. When I try to hold you, my body doesn't let me. So baby, would you catch me? Baby, would you? If I fell down right now, would you catch me? Yeah. If I fell down right now, would you?